Hi there, Organiser. I'm Georgia.
And I'm Eden.
Firstly, thank you for choosing Steam Deck for your event.
If you haven't completed steps 1 and 2, please make sure you do that so you can lock in your event date.
And if you have, that's great. It means you're now ready for step 3. It's time to work with us, the planning team.
From this point on, we're going to communicate closely with you to deliver a gourmet virtual team building experience for you and your team. There are 3 main ingredients to cook a Steam Deck event. The first ingredient is you want to get a guest list and your choice of games back to us. The second ingredient, we're going to send you and your guests a welcome email as well as a calendar invite. And the third and final ingredient is, of course, your event Zoom link. Over to Georgia now to explain the first ingredient.
To help you with your first ingredient, we've created a template to make filling out your guest list just a little easier. Let me give you an example of how it's done. This is what our template looks like. And if you have 21 people or less, you should put them into 2 teams like this. Anything more, you'll have more teams, and this is how your guest list should look like. If you want us to sort out your teams for you, no problem. All you have to do is put them in the unassigned column and we'll do the rest. To send us over your guest list along with your game choice, just use the type form below. This is also your opportunity to let us know if you have any special requests. If you want to make any changes to your team, like adding someone, removing someone, or switching the teams around, we've given you editor access to make amending the guest list easier. The latest we recommend making amendments is 24 hours before your event. Great, now that that's sorted, over to Eden for ingredient number 2.
Now that we have your teams and your game choices, we will email your guests our welcome email along with a calendar invite. From here, you'll be able to see all the details regarding your event, including what team you're in by clicking the buttons down here, and also any questionnaires that you need to fill out. This button will only show up here if you have a quiz type round that includes "Are you pulling my leg?" and this time it's personal. It's going to be really important for you as the organizer to make sure that if you're playing one of those games, that your team has filled in the type form linked, otherwise your rounds won't have any answers to play with. We've also included a fun little video down here just to get your team warmed up and excited.
Let's get ready for Yolking From Home.
And from there, all you need to do is go on to the third ingredient. But Georgia, what about the third ingredient? I still don't have the Zoom link.
Don't worry, Eden. It will appear in the calendar invite on the day of the event or as we approach it.
Great. So that's how you assemble a Steam Deck event. We'll see you and your team on game day where you can come on down to Yolking From Home.
I hope that's clear. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us using the email address below. See you soon. Bye.